welcome to Badgeskins. In this quick how-to video, we'll be doing an install on a rear bumper tint for the 11th gen Civic hatchback. So pretty well it's simple. This is what your kit looks like. You have a left and a right, and what you want us to do is you want to start off by cleaning the whole surface area really well, and you want to get in between the crevices between the reflector and the bumper body, and you want to make sure that it's nice and dry. Once you have that all prepped and ready for install, you pretty well just take the Badgeskin from the backing and you're just going to kind of line it up right over it. More or less, you want to look at the bottom line here. You're going to have a little bit of overlap on the left and the right. And then once I'm going to have it lined up, I'm just going to start tacking it down from the center over. Once you fully squeegee it down, you can remove the masking at 180 degrees. And what you're going to do is that for all the lettering and the molding, you're going to take a threading needle, or if you have a vinyl pokey tool, you're just going to poke a bunch of holes all around the lettering. After you've done that, then you can take a heat gun or a hair dryer if you don't have a heat gun, and you're just going to warm up the area, and then you're just going to squeegee over it with your thumb, and you'll see that all the air gets expelled out and it will mold right to the lettering. After that, all you have to do is tuck in the excess that you see on the edges here. So just a little bit of heat, take a micro squeegee. If you don't have one, you can get one from our website. It's a great tool to have. And you're just gonna start tucking everything down. Same thing here on this corner. Just want to make sure that the edge is adhered down and nothing's lifted. And there you go. Very, very simple install. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.